speaking. This is actually a very special day for some Fijian people. And it's the children that made it to Fiji. And I take my hat off to the organizers for organizing the charity that takes care of everything for our children in this country. Lara did a fantastic job with all this. So the directors of the Miss World Fiji organization, members of the diplomatic corps that are here today, the CEO of the Fiji Broadcasting Commission, I understand the CEO of Fiji Airways is supposed to be here, contestants, ladies and gentlemen, Wolfgang and a very good evening to all. It's a pleasure to be here tonight at the crowning of the Miss World Fiji 2015. And today's not a day that I will give a speech on the ever-growing Fijian economy or the increasing trend of Fijian exports. Today is a special day when I want to talk about some very special people and the outstanding work they are doing for our society. I want to acknowledge these future leaders of Fiji, and through this event are reminding each of us the true meaning of being Fijian. Ladies and gentlemen, we have from the outside usually have a stereotype that events such as Miss World Fiji are about beautiful girls only. However, the Miss World contestant and the Miss World Fiji, for that matter, is more than just a beauty pageant. By being the world's oldest and largest pageant, it has been able to make an impact on the lives of many citizens around the world. The Miss World charity has raised millions of dollars around the world to benefit the most vulnerable in society. This is what undoubtedly sets the Miss World Fiji pageant, Miss World pageant, as it empowers young women to make a difference in their communities. Fiji is clearly expanding as a modern and integrated society, and we are enjoying positive economic growth and receiving more international visitors to our shore. Creating a better Fiji for all has been the main objective of the Fijian government, and the Miss World pageant is an excellent driver of this message. Together with the government, the civil society and the private sector are integral pillars of a strong and stable society. Since the inception of Miss World Fiji in 2012, the organizers and the winners of the title have had only one mission in their minds, which was to make a difference in the lives of ordinary Fijians by giving back to the people of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the charity Beauty with a Purpose is at the heart of Miss World and is the main platform for Miss World Fiji. Through this charity, our Miss World contestants, with the help of Miss World Fiji organization, will set up a project that will make a real and lasting contribution to the lives of the sick and the disadvantaged. This year, the Miss World Fiji charity is for the CWM Hospital's Children's Ward. It was sad to note that your children's ward did not have enough ventilator machines. And hats off to you, Lara, and the reigning Miss World Fiji, Charlene, for leading this worthy cause to raise funds for the ventilator machines. Our children, ladies and gentlemen, are the future of Fiji, and the ones who will take the country forward. And we need to protect them and to ensure that they have the best facilities and environment to develop in. I've been informed, ladies and gentlemen, that a ventilator machine costs roughly about 65,000 Australian dollars. And Miss World Fiji has raised approximately 51,000 Fijian and need at least another 50,000 dollars. I was actually present, ladies and gentlemen, at a charity that was organized, charity do that was organized on Thursday. And the video that you saw today touched me. So I decided I was going to do something about it. The generosity of the Miss World Fiji organization brought down to my ministry and the industry stakeholders. So I picked up the phone and decided to call the stakeholders. And I took the initiative to also contribute to this worthy cause. As of yesterday, Lara, Charlene, we have collected $20,508. I actually expect this to grow, and I am on a mission to try and collect all 50. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say this, the contributions from the industry, and I will read out the names, it's not a long list. Contributions from the industry were made by Janti Kavan, Kanwan Limited, RC Marubai, Tube Makers, Roof Mast Limited, grandsons, and then Alicia is ring. Very few people could be raised without a mom. And of course, we had a quick whip around at the ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, since 2012, Miss World Fiji has made an enormous impact in the international arena. Past title holders have gained recognition in categories for the best national costume, beach beauty, and photo of the day at Miss World Finals, which is quite an accomplishment for newcomers in the pageant. These women here today are ambassadors for Fiji. They have and will continue to give us a voice in the international arena on issues that concern our society. I'd like to commend the organizers of this program and the young ladies that take part in this for their courage and commitment towards the different causes that they drive. Charlene, thank you very much for making us all sit up and take notice. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wish the contestants the best of luck this evening. Best of luck for this evening. We'd like to remind each one of you to wholeheartedly contribute to this cause. Have a very good evening and enjoy the rest of the show.
Miss World 2015 to represent Fiji in Sanya, China in December